Hi everyone, thanks for watching this video on how to easily prep your salmon to make some delicious salmon and spinach and cheese rolls. So you need some washed spinach, you need Boursin, Parmesan cheese, and of course a nice cut of salmon. This is a wild caught piece, it's pretty big. I'm going to go ahead and cut this in half and take off the skin. So this fillet is boneless. I was thinking that I might have had a few in there, but it's totally boneless. Now I'm going to remove the skin from the fish flesh. All I have to do is slowly peel it, peel off the skin, and if I notice some of the salmon is stuck to the skin, I just have to push it back away from the skin with the help of a knife, and that really helps out. This way you don't waste any of the delicious salmon. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other piece. Since I got two nice size pieces of fish and they're pretty thick, I'm going to go ahead and cut them again. This way now I have 4 pieces. So this way I can have 4 salmon and spinach cheese rolls. So in my food processor, I put in the spinach, I put in my Parmesan cheese, I take off my cap and I see if there's any stems to take out, and then I put in the Boursin, about half of it. This food processor works pretty quick. It only takes about 10 seconds to blend this up. Then I take out all of the filling and I divide it up into about 4 chunks. This way I know for my 4 pieces of salmon, they'll each get about the same amount of filling. As you can see, I have one done already. I flip it over to the side that had the skin, and I just pinch and spread and press down my filling as I go, and then I just give it a little roll up, and then I place it on its side, and that's it. It's really easy, and then you might want to wash your hands or wipe your hand down in between each one, this way you don't get the filling on the outside where it's not supposed to be. And it's a really tasty meal. My whole family goes crazy for this, especially me and my daughter. We really love this. So these salmon pinwheels are all done. They look beautiful, and if you want to store these in the freezer, you can put one at the bottom of a sandwich bag, put a piece of parchment paper, place another one on top, twist it, and then it's ready to store in the freezer. This way you can pop it out whenever you need it. And it cooks up really good at 450 degrees. Put a little olive oil on your foil, place the salmon on top that's thawed out, and cook it for about 10 to 12 minutes, and it will be absolutely delicious, and it goes so great with salad or green beans or anything. I hope you like this. Please subscribe.